named her Caddy Thunder, though no one asked me. Said it honors the elders, sets the spirit free. She's still salt and silence where the red dust flies, and a lake that's more myth than it ever is rise.
Now the suits from the city, they came in their 4Bs with clipboards and lanyards and faraway eyes. They stood on the crust like they'd conquered the land,
then banned every billy, each foot in each hand. No boats on Lake Eyre, no footprints allowed, just drones and agendas from a minister proud.
You can look from a distance and pay for the view,
but don't you dare touch it, it's not meant for you. Old Bob from the yacht club, he laughed till he cried. Once in 10 years it fills, and even then it's wide-eyed. We sail when she sings, and we tread with respect. Now we're vandals and villains, what the hell did we read?
they claim it was sacred, long inhabited ground. But there's no food, no water, no shelter around.
It's salt, not drinkable, no one lived there full time. To say otherwise, mate, is a cultural crime. No boats on Lake Eyre, no soul in the room. They've caged up the outback and labeled it cool. They honor the culture with glossy brochures, then fine you for walking where the sunset endures.
I met a bloke dying, said it was his last ride to dip in the salt where the silence is wide.
We snuck him a paddle, we broke all the laws, and he smiled like a king with the wind in his jaws.